trying to find that one that'll treat you right. I could.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video, we got to talk about futures and Forex, bro. So recently, man, at the end of 2023, man, a lot of brokers got taken off of MetaTrader. And that definitely discouraged the industry, man. A lot of brokers that we use stopped using MetaTrader and they start going on different platforms. Now, recently, a lot of prop firms are straying away from US clients. So this video is mainly for United States traders. Again, I made a video on brokerages and how I'm done vouching for brokers because you can't really just trust how they are operating. And now prop firms are following suit. So what do Forex traders do in the United States? Like, what do we do in this situation where it's kind of like they want us to trade on US Forex brokers that's regulated? Like, and most people don't like to take that route because the leverage is low. We still have spreads. And it's like, they're making it tougher for traders in the US. Now, why is Forex traders actually going to the future side? I feel like people are going to the future side because they're not dealing with anything that we're dealing with these shady brokers, with these shady prop firms, with these questionable prop firms. They're not dealing with that. It's mainly the Forex side. So I feel like, I said this in December, regulation is here. Like, they're not going to continue to have these scammy brokers, these scammy prop firms continue over and over and over to scam more people. Like, they're not going to do that. So that's why they're stepping in. And if you're not checking in with US regulation, then it's over with. You shouldn't even be accepting no US clients on your brokerage or your platform in general. A Forex broker is only good until it's bad. Like, and especially if they're not operating good and they get bigger, it's only gonna go down from there. So I recommend people to really think about what's going on in the Forex industry and ask yourself, is this really a safe platform or a safe space for me to make money? You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking long term, bro. I always say this, I'm thinking long term. Forex, I started trading Forex 5 years ago, and year after year, more questionable things start to happen. And it's like, now it's getting to the point where I don't even want to put 100K in any of these Forex brokers. I don't even want to take any of these challenges because am I going to get paid out? So it's like, I just feel like learning futures is not going to hurt nobody. That's what I just feel like. I feel like that's not going to hurt anybody because we're still trading the same stuff. Like, I trade NAS 100, but all I got to do is just learn futures. Is damn near the same thing. You know what I'm saying? And they have zero spread, so that, I feel like that would help. But I think Forex traders in the US, we should look into futures, bro. Like, you don't see any futures prop firm going down at all. They're not dealing with any of this stuff that we're dealing with. Like, really just look at the Forex industry and see, dog, all the just scammy situations going on. Like, bro, why are we dealing with this? Why is this happening? And then you look on another whole industry and they're not even dealing with what we're dealing with. And I feel for people that's actually in the United States that's using these prop firms. Now they can't use it anymore. It's like, damn, bro, well, okay, is the US trying to stop us from getting money, or is something going on the back end with these brokerages and these prop firms? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Like, is the US trying to gatekeep for us to get out of our 9 to 5, or is something actually happening to the point where people are getting hurt? You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm done vouching for anything. That's why Doyle don't share his or anything, because I don't trust these brokerages or these prop firms at all on the Forex side. So that's why Doyle recently is educating himself with the beginner information with futures. Like, and it just feel like I'm not essentially starting over because, I have the capital now. It's not really an issue because I done grew my account with Forex. So now it's just me putting my money in a safer space. And that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the future side as, okay, this is actually a good opportunity to have my money safe. And I also like that you can do wire transfers. Like, you can actually link up your bank account to whatever future brokers that you use. And it's just so much better. Like, I get annoyed with using cryptocurrency all the time to withdraw and deposit. So I just feel like learning futures is not going to be a bad idea at all. And people have been recommending me this, but now like it's getting worse and worse and worse and worse. So moving forward, I'm still going to be using Forex. I'm still going to be trading Forex. Like, it's not going to be nothing different, but I'm also going to be implementing futures. Okay, so I'm going to be doing both. So on this channel, you will start to see later on in this year that I'm going to be trading on a futures platform than just MetaTrader. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is actually kind of like, it's kind of tough to be in the United States because like I feel like we are the most victims. I mean, it's victims on overseas with brokerages and prop firms, but I feel like United States we're taking the most hits because most people don't want to be by US regulation. Like, we don't really want to do the whole regulated brokers, Forex regulated brokers. Like, people really just don't want to do that. And then they're taking a chance with unregulated brokers. Like myself, I'm taking a chance, and I'm just hearing all of this news. It's just like, damn, do I really want to continue to do this as my account get more and more like larger? Like, do I want to take this risk? Because I'll be damned if I wake up in the morning and my money is at zero and I know exactly how much I have in my trading account. So I really don't want to take that chance. So I advise people, if you're watching this video, you know how to trade. Like, I just want to say that for people that's getting discouraged. You already know how to trade. You could trade anything, bro. If you got a system that's universal, you could trade anything. Don't get discouraged. It's just the platforms. You have the skill set, just learn a new platform or educate yourself in a whole new industry, which is futures. You know what I'm saying? It's other options, but I want to go towards the more safe way. And the safe way may not be beautiful. The safe way may not be ideal, but what else do you want to do? Do you want to wake up and feel like, I mean, I don't know if my trading account gonna be here, or you want to know for sure that this broker is not slipping me? We all looking at the same chart, same price. I'm getting in when I need to get in. I'm getting out when I need to get out. My withdrawals is hidden. I can actually have wire transfers for withdrawals. That's actually amazing. What? Done with cryptocurrency. So your boy is definitely going to be doing withdrawals through wire transfers. And on the Forex side, I am going to be doing withdrawals through cryptocurrency. But I don't know, man. Like, you got to just be on a swivel, man. As a trader, as an entrepreneur, bro, you got to be on a swivel. You can never just feel like you're always safe and nothing's going to change. Like, everything is changing forever. Like, we're in 2024. You see what's going on now. Like, when I first started, 2019, we had all types of brokers. They're all going off of MetaTrader. Have you noticed that? I remember when I was in IML, and Hugo's Way, and just all of these brokers, they're not on MetaTrader anymore. And now the prop firms are getting removed. Prop firms are getting shut down. Like, you see how like it's getting worse because you cannot continue to scam for too long. And people are reporting in. Like, people are going to literally share their complaints, and you get enough complaints, then you get shut down. You get what I'm saying? So I feel for people in the United States, bro. Like, people trying to get money. I'm trying to get money. But we also want to protect our money too, because there's people out in the world that don't care that you just put your last $100 into their trade, their brokerages. They don't care. They don't care at all. Even the prop firms, they don't care. They don't want to pay people out. I'm just hearing so much craziness. Like, and then I look on the future side, and they're not dealing with any of this. So be very careful, man. I just feel like, man, we in a new age, man. We in a new age of trading, and United States really don't want nobody to do business with us unless they're following USA rules, period. And if you don't want to follow our rules, you don't need to be accepting any of our clients at all. And you got to follow our laws, or we're going to literally shut you down or have you removed off of MetaTrader. That's literally what's happening, dog. So please do your research, because I'm not going to just talk too much on the prop firm space, because I actually trade live accounts. I don't do the prop firm stuff. But go on YouTube right after this video and just look at what's going on in the prop firm industry. It's actually crazy on the Forex side. On the Forex side, it's a whole mess, because people are waking up with letters and messages like, oh, we're done accepting US clients, and it's just like, bro, what do I do after this? So my solution, again, lastly, my solution, trade Forex, but also learn futures. Why not? Why not? Why not be versatile? You know how to trade Forex. It's kind of similar. You know what I'm saying? Why not? And it's the reason why people are moving out of America. You know, people are moving to Dubai and moving to Italy and the UK. Like, people are getting out of the US because, I mean, it's very strict over here. But also, I feel like the US is cleaning up the messiness that's going on in Forex. Like, they're literally cleaning it up. So, yeah, comment below on this video. What do you think is going on with the Forex industry? Do you feel like futures is actually a good option, or should we go on these third-party platforms on the Forex side? Or should we continue to use unregulated brokers? Like, let's just have a whole comment section under this video and just keep it real. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always all ears, because I actually want to listen to what the traders is actually talking about, rather than somebody just pushing a broker or pushing a problem. No, what is actually the trading community talking about? That's what I care about. I don't care about nothing else. So, yeah, man, that's really all I got, bro. We in February. Definitely last week was an okay week. I had a break-even week, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna have a profit week every single week, but I'm definitely looking forward to next week catching some more setups. Your boy about to move real soon. I'm just giving you a little update before I get off this. I'm about to move real soon. I'm not about to be living in an apartment no more. Looking at this house, so that looked like an opportunity that I definitely want to take right now. I feel like this is the time. I'm getting older. Like, what? Your boy pushing 30. Like, I'm not about to just live in a condo, apartment, whatever you want to call it, forever. So that's definitely my plans later this year, is to move. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going to move, because obviously, you know, internet is getting a little dangerous, so I'm not gonna tell y'all. But definitely it's gonna be a way bigger crib, like pool. It's just, man, I don't know. I might show little snippets of it, but I'm real private. Like, I don't really care too much to show everything. But yeah, man, like I said on this video, bro, give it some thought. Just look at the Forex industry and then look at the future side and compare to both. What's the pros and cons of both? And then go from there. But that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.